Hello everyone. Have you ever thought that you can earn money from home without any special skills using just a mobile phone or laptop? In today's video, we'll talk about simple, free, and effective ways that millions of people around the world are using every day to earn real money online. And the best part? You don't need a degree, any course, or any professional skill to get started. So watch this video till the end, because we'll not only discuss these methods but also guide you on which mistakes to avoid, which platforms to use, and how to build a steady stream of online income. Mindset. Truth. Let's begin by fixing our mindset. Earning online doesn't mean pressing a button and watching dollars rain down. It's still work, but it's the kind of work where you don't need to open a shop, pay rent, or get scolded by a boss. Your time, your effort, and your consistency, these are your biggest assets. It's important to understand that while you can start without skills, as you gain experience, your income potential will grow. Think of this as planting seeds. Today's small efforts can turn into tomorrow's big income. 7 practical methods. Now let's explore 7 practical and easy methods to earn money online without skills. 1. Paid surveys. Many companies pay for your opinions before launching their products. Websites like Swagbucks, Toluna, Inbox Dollars. These sites ask you simple questions like, what beverages do you drink, or what brands do you prefer? Each survey you complete earns you points or cash. How to get started. Create a free account. Complete your profile. Spend 30-60 minutes daily doing surveys. You can earn $5 to $10 per day just from surveys. 2. Watching ads videos. Yes, you can actually earn by watching videos or ads online. Platforms like Hideout, TV, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars reward users for viewing short clips. You get points for every video watched, and you can convert these points to PayPal cash or gift cards. 3. Microtasking websites. These platforms offer you simple mini-tasks like solving CAPTCHAs, reading emails, testing websites. Popular platforms include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Microworkers. No professional skills needed, just attention and time. 4. Selling photos online. If you have a smartphone and a decent eye for photography, you can upload your pictures to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, examples of photos in demand, nature shots, food photography, city life. Every time someone downloads your photo, you get paid. 5. Freelance services without skills. Freelancing isn't only for professionals. Even on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, there are services that require no advanced skills. Removing image backgrounds. You can use free online tools, file conversions, PDF to Word, etc. Virtual assistant tasks like organizing emails or data entry. All you need is basic communication. The rest can be handled with tools or AI. 6. Affiliate marketing without a website. You can earn by promoting products without a website or investment. How it works. Join affiliate platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Share your unique links on social media, WhatsApp, Reddit, or Quora. When someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. No investment, no special skill, and just smart sharing. 7. YouTube automation. You can start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Use AI for voiceovers, free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay, and edit with CapCut or Canva. Types of faceless videos. Top 5, top 10 content. Motivational quotes. Relaxing background music. Create once and earn every day as your videos grow in views. Roadmap for beginners. Now the big question. Where should you begin? Here's a step-by-step roadmap. Dedicate just 1 hour a day to trying these methods. Try all of them. Stick with the one you enjoy most. Slowly start learning new skills like Canva design, basic English writing, communication, and research. As your experience grows, your rates increase, your clients increase, and your income multiplies. Friends, the world is rapidly moving online. Those who learn how to earn online today will live a life of freedom tomorrow. You already have time, internet access, and now this video, so what's stopping you? Take the first step today because success is waiting for you. If you learned something valuable today, hit that like button, comment below, I'm ready to start. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful and practical content. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning online.